Hey everybody, Dan Rawitz here. This is your daily market update and trade update for University of Options. So I had another pretty good day. I did take a loss and then I had one break even, um, which unfortunately came at the end because I was 7 for 7 at one point during the day. Um, 88, this is our overall trade record on 734 trades, 88% win rate. This number is very real. I think we show that to you every day. Today we went 93%. Last 7 days we're at 89%. And yesterday's not showing for some reason. I think this is in the way. About 87% yesterday, and for the month we're at about 89%. So the stats are looking real good. Again, if you don't have this dashboard, let me know. I'll send you the link. And of course, we break down every trade, every time, how much we made or lost on the trade. Today, I made $37 a contract. I trade 40 contracts, so about $1,500. So that's that. And I thought real quickly, I'll run through the trades because I do think at least our members are telling us that it's pretty helpful to really be able to see what we're doing and how we're doing it. So I'm going to go to the 1 minute chart. I hope I've got the right chart here. Uh-oh, where'd all my trades go? Oh no, I had them all marked. All right, well, we can get through this pretty quick. Let me pull up my trade log. There's every trade right there. And the first trade was 837 to 838. So let's scroll down here. Actually, I want to see, well, $837. Oh, way back here. Sorry, guys. There, entered. And exited on the next candle. So here's the deal. We had our buy signal way down here. Again, I didn't come in till about this time, so I'm not saying whether I would have or wouldn't have taken these trades. It probably would have certainly gone in sooner. But once we have a buy signal, what we're looking for is for price to stall out and then to go up the next step, because price often forms a staircase. So we needed to just clear this 433.90 mark, which we did. Here, the chop index had already come down. We cleared the line and in and out, one exit, decent little trade. And then the next one was 856 to 905. This was a little more challenging trade just because it pulled back before it went up. And that again was 856. So we entered here. I got caught in this little baby pullback, held on, and jumped out at 905 right up here. So it worked out great. It was just this little baby pullback, and I knew that I had a lot of support here, so I did ride it out. Next was at 925. Yep, 925. In here, right on the buy signal, and out at 926. One, two candles. This one, it doesn't get any better. We got the buy signal. We had to just cross this dot. That was confirmed on this 925 candle. Look what happened to the chop index. It's exactly what we like. In and out, one candle, pretty big gain. Then we had 25. 936 to 938. And out at 938, nice and quick. We like these 1-2 minute trades quite a bit. So same idea, we got the bull signal here. There's no dot, so we just have to clear these wicks, which is where this dash line forms. And you can see here, it breached the level. The chop index dropped. I went in. Chop didn't drop as much as I like, but I still felt good about the trade. In and out, 2 candles, pretty profitable. Then, nope. Yep, 1017 to 1018, another win. In here, out 1 candle, just the way we like it. Same idea. We got the bull signal. We just had to clear right here, these wicks, right across there. This candle confirmed. I waited 1 more candle. The chop index dropped nicely in and out. Very good trade. Then I think the loss comes. No. Next one was profitable too. 1046 to 1048. In, out. Same idea. We got the bull signal. We just had to clear right here, these wicks. You see that? This candle crossed, chop dropped. Again, it's as good as it gets. In and out, quick gain. And remember, our objective is not to stay in these and you know, extract every penny there is in the trade. We scalp. And, you know, this morning, my first 4 trades, I was up $26 a contract. So each small win adds up and turns into a very, very good day. Most every day. So 1046. Then the next one was 10. Nope. That one's also a win. 1112 to 1116. Here, in, and 1116 out. Right there at the top. And again, we got our bull signal. We had to clear this dot right here. We did on this candle. Chop index dropped a little bit, went in. Usually I look for a bigger drop in chop, but this volume was so big, it just kept, you know, kind of building towards it. So in and out. Then I think the next one was a break even. 1154 to 1208 was a break even. This trade really frustrated me. I did this one did everything it's supposed to do. 1154 and 1208. I mean, we had the drop and chop. We cleared the line here. This entry should have been pretty good here. Actually, sorry, I waited till the next candle because we got a better drop and chop. And then it instantly pulled back. So we had a pretty big drawdown. I held it because I believed, and I was right, that it was going to hold this 436.10 level because it held many times before. It held, it bounced, got out at a break even. And then the last trade was a loser. In at 1228, out at 1249. 1228 here. Such a perfect entry. Like, it's shocking this trade was a loser. Apparently, I didn't act fast enough. I certainly could have gotten out up here at a profit. That was in at 1228, out at 1249. Way over here. So from a price standpoint, price climbed quite a bit from my entry to my exit. I entered down here, I exited here, but I held the option so long it decayed. The value decayed while I was in the trade that long. So it ended up being a smallish loss, but a loss. So that's all that, guys. It was a good day. Lee went 7-0 for 50-something cents. So let's look at the big money. You can see here that the BMI turned down a bit, but not a lot. But then here, actually a little bit favorable. The buying wasn't great, but the selling backed way off. So I'm guessing that this might have just been a pullback and we might see a continued rally tomorrow. I hope so, because we did open up 3 swing trade. Next, the time cycle data really looks like it could pull back until right after the 4th of July. You can see the Dow is going down, but the long term is still stable. This might be turning sideways a little, so it's probably not in too much peril. This one's still pointing down, and this is pointing down, so the Nasdaq's looking like the pullback could continue. And SPY down and down, not pretty. And if you look at the projection cycles, it looks like pretty flat, and then you should get a little bit of an increase. Same thing here. So we might see a pullback. I know some of the swings I picked today could get under some pressure, but I also wouldn't be surprised if the market's up 700 points tomorrow. It's just one of those times. I'm going to look at the big picture real quick for you. Let's go to the day chart. So actually, let me use SPX. Same thing, but not marked up. So we fell out of here, broke this upward trend. Now I did think we were going to come down here to about 42.90. So far, maybe not. Although we did try to run up again, and we got pulled back pretty good. So even though it was a good bullish day, we're still below this trend line. And then from a Fibonacci standpoint, as you recall, this would be I think here, do I have Fibonacci here? Yeah. So a pullback to 42.17 would make a lot of sense. And that is, what? Sorry. 42.17. Yeah, 42.18-ish. Yeah, so right on this line. This is the Fibonacci first level. It's also where the 50 is, and it's where I would expect to come down. Now, if we can get above, get rid of that. If we can get above here, then the rally will continue. But at this point, I wouldn't be too surprised to see it bounce off of here and pull back a little further. We'll see. Tomorrow will be crucial. Okay, that's all I've got, guys. Please reach out if I can help you. And if you want to watch us trade, just go to dolikedan.com/free pass, and you can watch.